Today I'm taking your suggestions and showing you some of the on-track sights and sounds of the Formula Mazda. This race car runs a 13V rotary engine. It can get up to about 150 miles per hour with a 5-speed H-pattern shifter. Here's from the cockpit. You'll see me move my right hand from the steering wheel to the shifter. Listen to the downshifts from 5th to 1st. There's only one thing between you and the asphalt: the tires. The grip of these tires is the most important thing to pay attention to while driving at the limit. The wings on a race car can produce downforce that pushes the car to the track, increasing the grip from the tires. This means that you can take the corners faster. It also means you can brake harder. But as soon as you start to slow down, you have to decrease the brake pressure as you lose downforce, or you'll lock up the tires and spin out. And finally, for pure ear joy, I give you the rev limiter. See you next Sunday!